Hi there. Are you worried about getting bumped off a flight? Don't worry, you have rights. Erica Kohlberg, a lawyer and TikTok star, shares some tips to maximize your bumped benefits. Before we get going, I would appreciate a like and subscribe to our channel. First, make sure you have a confirmed reservation and check in on time. If the gate is overbooked, the airline will first ask for volunteers to give up their seats for compensation. If not enough people volunteer, the airline may involuntarily bump passengers. But you're entitled to compensation based on a scale. If you arrive at your destination within an hour of your original arrival time, you get nothing. If it's 1 to 2 hours later, you may receive 200% of the one-way fare. And if it's more than 2 hours, you're entitled to 400% of the one-way fare. Remember, these are just general guidelines, and there may be other factors to consider. But knowing your rights can help you navigate this frustrating situation. Safe travels! If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos.